Think your space needs big bucks to look bougie? Think again. These DIYs are blowing up online, and they'll make your home look straight out of a design magazine without breaking the bank. Just wrap a plain tray with marble contact paper, and you've got an expensive-looking centerpiece for under rupees. 300. Grab cheap glassware from your kitchen, spray paint it gold, and pop in some clean white candles. It's simple, classy, and gives serious designer vibes. Take small mirrors, arrange them in a sleek grid, and frame each one using black tape or cardboard strips. It looks custom, modern, and turns any wall into an Instagram moment. Follow luxury lifestyle and start decorating like a pro.